Hey, it's Crystal here, the sales manager here at Palm Harbor, Cleveland. I know I was supposed to come to you today live at 11 o'clock, but we've been slammed all day. But I'm back in action again, and I wanted to see if I could answer any questions that anybody had. Again, I'll go live again tomorrow to see if that will work better. Today I wanted to talk to y'all about trade-ins. We do accept trade-ins here. There's a couple different ways that we can do it. We can either market it for you and get you cash from another buyer, or we can take it as a trade-in here for you. So let's just say, for instance, that you owe $60,000 on your current home, and we find a buyer that was willing to pay $40,000. The remainder of that will go on to your next loan. So just know that if you feel like you owe a whole bunch of money that you feel like you can't trade it in, that's not true. You can trade it in. So don't let that hold you back from coming out and taking a look at some of our homes. A lot of people are outgrowing their homes, or families are getting bigger, or they may be downsizing. So either way it goes, we do accept trade-ins. We do accept trade-ins that you owe on. We can sell it outright or trade it in here at the lot. So whatever works best for you. Again, if y'all have any questions or anything, just please let us know. We are here until 6 o'clock or until the last person leaves. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. That number is 281-592-8600. We look forward to meeting y'all. Bye, guys.